Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into customer personas. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a customer persona is and how to create one to better target and engage your audience. Let's get started. A customer persona, also known as a buyer persona, is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. It helps you understand your customers' needs, behaviors, and goals. Customer personas provide valuable insights that inform your marketing strategies, product development, and customer service efforts. They help ensure that all aspects of your business are aligned with your target audience's expectations. Demographics persona cover basic information such as age, gender, income level, education, and occupation. Example, meet Jane, a customer persona for a health food store. She is 35 years old, female, earns $70,000 a year, has a bachelor's degree, and works as a marketing manager. Psychographics delve into lifestyle, attitudes, interests, and values. Example, Jane values health and wellness, practices yoga, and is environmentally conscious. She prefers organic and sustainably sourced products. Behavior patterns include buying habits, brand loyalty, product usage rate, and preferred communication channels. Example, Jane shops for groceries online once a week, is loyal to brands that offer transparency about their sourcing, and prefers receiving information via email newsletters. Motivations and goals focus on what drives your persona's decisions and what they aim to achieve. Example, Jane's motivation is to maintain a healthy lifestyle while minimizing her environmental footprint. Her goal is to find high-quality, organic food options that align with her values. To create a detailed customer persona, collect data through surveys, interviews, and market research. Look for common characteristics and patterns among your customers. Develop a narrative that captures your persona's background, needs, and pain points. To illustrate, let's consider a gaming company. One persona could be Mark, a 28-year-old male software engineer who enjoys multiplayer strategy games. He values immersive gameplay and connects with friends through gaming. Mark's goal is to find engaging games that offer both challenge and social interaction. That's customer personas, a vital tool for understanding and connecting with your target audience. By developing detailed personas, you can tailor your strategies to meet your customers' specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified customer personas for you. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Stay customer-centric and insightful.